I guess you've found your way here because you're seeking for ways to generate money online. You've come to the correct spot because in today's video, we'll show you how to earn a significant amount of PayPal cash by simply completing online processes. So, if you're still unsure, please stick with me so we can work it out together. You can put a deposit on something you've been eyeing for a while, whether it's a computer, a new phone, or anything else. With that ambition in mind, you must watch this short video so that I may show you how to make money and help you achieve the lifestyle you desire. This method is available to anyone, wherever on the planet. You don't need any prior experience or special knowledge. This strategy may not make you a millionaire, but it is definitely the finest alternative for a beginning. This method is equally effective if you're merely looking for a way to supplement your income. I'll take you through the entire process step by step because I want to make sure that each option I teach you has a decent probability of working. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. To begin, open your browser and type in the URL that I'll give you with you later. A crowdsourced career with over 100,000 employees operates on this platform. They help individuals, small groups, and professionals build low-cost exposure, promotion, and marketing campaigns to increase sales and improve their backlink rankings, according to their website. You now want to work on this website as an employee. Look through the tiny jobs they have available. Choose a hobby that you enjoyed as well as one task to prove. After that, you can use this website to make money. You can either utilize PayPal Cash to cash out or use one of the other techniques listed here. Now, I'll teach you how to join up for a free account to explore around and learn more. We should now return to the video and click this button, which should take you to this website. I need you to fill in all the information that it requires, so type in your name, email address, password, and country. This list of countries demonstrates that they are truly admitting candidates from all over the world. This merely proves that you can use this strategy from anywhere in the world. I need you to confirm that you're not a robot once you've finished setting up your account. Remember the principles they've established for you and make it a point to follow them so you have more energy to deal with this site. In any event, they're quite simple. 1. You are not permitted to use a VPN or any other type of IP masking software. You're not permitted to create multiple records with the same IP address or to use shared or public Wi-Fi. You're also not allowed to use the same IP address for different records to complete tasks. And you're not allowed to handle duties that are related to a country that you're not from. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. If you liked it, please subscribe using that red button and leave a comment down below. It would be fantastic if you like it. Subscribe, switched on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. Remember that breaking any of these rules could result in you being banned, so don't waste your time attempting to deceive the system. Again, I strongly advise you to follow these guidelines in order to avoid squandering this opportunity. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So, when you've created your account, they'll want you to confirm your email address, so go to your inbox and click the link in the email they provided you. You can now look up your information and sign in. As you can see, this is your dashboard, and on top of it, you can monitor a variety of things such as your all-out stores, absolute withdrawals, and a variety of other things. Here are a few things I may have overlooked. You can earn $1 to $5 just for signing up, and the earning potential on this site is just incredible. Furthermore, you can do this on a continuous basis. As you can see, there are absolutely no limitations. When you scroll down the website, you'll notice that there are other projects you can take up, each with its own set of installments. They're completely straightforward. You can see the amount of money you can get for each task as well as the amount of time it will take you to complete it. In truth, each of them just takes a few minutes. The majority of them are either 3 minutes or less than 10 minutes long. You can also examine the individual countries where these tasks are available with reasonable notice as an afterthought here. Keep an eye out for errands that aren't tagged global or titled for the country from where you started. Remember that taking positions that are not implied for your own country is against the concept. Keep an eye out for international ones, especially because I previously stated that our center will be handling errands involving fundamentally loving recordings. So, in the search box here, seek for YouTube and click on this option, and then arrange the positions according to how much money you could possibly make by completing them. We'll actually want to see the most lucrative tasks first if you click that. Now, let's look at several projects that will pay you this much money in exchange for a short period of time. This means that you can complete a variety of tasks in under an hour. For example, don't you think this is extraordinary? As an example, we should look at this task right now. It will pay us this much money if we achieve it in this amount of time. Therefore, we should tap on it, which will take us to this page as you can see. We will actually want to see all of the data in this case. We should be able to complete this task. All you have to do now is follow each of these instructions in order to complete a job, and you'll be paid when you're finished. You've witnessed it for yourself. It's as simple as that. Pretty straightforward. But before we wrap up this video, the secret tool we're not using can be found at rapidworkers.com, and that's all. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.